By now, you've already heard about AI and how companies and people are using it to make money. Like most of the companies today are trying to integrate AI into their systems, and everyone you meet is talking about how they're using AI to do ABC. So as someone who has a skill or someone who offers their services online, you're probably wondering or asking yourself, so how can I take advantage of AI to make money or to build an empire, right? I know that because I'm also somebody who offers skills and services online, and for some time I was sitting down and trying to figure out how I can go about making money using AI, because I was interacting with these tools every other day: ChatGPT, Gemini, 11 Labs, Leonardo, every day. So I kept asking myself, how can I take advantage of these tools to make something out of it? So after a while of thinking, I came up with different strategies, most of which I'm going to discuss in this video. I have monetized what I already know using AI, and by the end of this video, you should also be able to monetize your skills and your services using free AI tool. You see what I've said? Free AI tools. Like literally, the only thing you need here is your time and effort. You don't need to pay for any AI tool. Most of the tools that I'm going to discuss in this video, they are very free. The investment that you're going to put in is just your time, okay? So you have nothing to lose. Now, before I even go there, just a couple of things that I'd love to mention. Number one, AI is here to stay. I don't want this notion that people keep saying that AI is here to replace us. No. AI is here to help us, to make our life easier, okay? And if anything, AI is only replacing people who do not know how to use AI. So if you are in the industry of offering services and skills, the best thing that you can do is to adapt. The best thing that you can do is to learn how to use AI, because these tools are not going anywhere. In fact, some of my clients, even the best client that I have, tells me to use AI. You see, so you cannot wish it away. It's here to stay. So the best we can do, like I said, is to make lemonades using the lemons that life has handed us. The second thing is that today, companies, large and small, are trying to integrate AI into their systems. So if you're that person who is very knowledgeable about AI, like this is the best time for you to take advantage of that. Most of these companies that want to integrate AI have zero clue. They have zero idea how to go about it. So if you can come to them and explain the services that you're going to offer them, how you're going to help them embrace AI and integrate AI into their operations, I'm telling you, you're going to be a hot cake. But imagine what's going to happen 5 years from today. Like most of the companies would have already integrated AI. So what I'm trying to say is that this is the best time for you to take advantage of AI, whether you're selling a product or selling a service. Like, do not wait, because at the moment, the competition is not very stiff, and most companies are still looking for these solutions. I would also love to mention that everything I'm covering in today's video is down in this ebook. It's a very interactive ebook that lets you practice everything step by step. You see, before you begin, use this trick to uncover your most valuable skill. So if you don't have a skill, this ebook is going to help you come up with a skill, okay, that you already know. So the ebook is very interactive. You can see we have a table here with what I know or can do well, how I learned it. So it's a very interactive ebook. It only goes for $10, right? So if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description box. You can go ahead and grab it today. I promise you, this is a very good investment. The first way to monetize using AI is by creating something very simple. Very simple. It's called a prompt pack. Prompt pack. And I know it sounds complicated. I promise you it's not. A prompt pack is just a list of instructions that someone can put in AI tools, and it gives them results. You see, when it comes to using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools, there's something called Giga, or garbage in, garbage out. So when you put garbage instructions in, the AI tool is going to give you garbage output. And most businesses do not want that. They want quality output. They want to sound professional. They want to sound appealing to their target audience. So of course they're looking for prompts that will help them achieve that result. Now, if you're very good at creating search prompts, then this is a very good business opportunity for you. Sit down, create very nice prompts, and of course you need to target different businesses with different prompts. Let's say your target business is into digital marketing. You're going to sit down and create specific prompts for digital marketing company. If the company that you're targeting does HR, you're going to come up with HR prompts. Remember, these prompts, they're going to use it for different reasons. It could be to create a video script, or to create a blog, or to create a social media post. So you're going to come up with different prompts matching whatever it is your target client is looking for. It's that simple, and yet businesses are paying top dollar for that. The second way to monetize using AI is by creating a mini guide. So something like an ebook or a PDF. You see, if you sell a product or you sell a service or you're always online, there are people who come to you and they ask you questions, or they ask you about a process, or there's something that you know more compared to an average person and you'd love to write about it. You see, so if you can sit down and create a very detailed guide to answer that question or to provide that process, then it can be a very lucrative opportunity. You see, guides sell for about 500 shillings. Like the one that I just mentioned, it's an ebook. I'm selling it at $10. You see, I took like 4 days to write it, but this is something that will continuously pay me. It is something that is going to generate passive income for me, because any person who watches this video and they're interested in learning these processes step by step is going to be willing to want to buy that ebook. Okay, so if you can create an ebook, or you can create a PDF, or you can create a mini guide, then it's a very good opportunity. And you don't have to do it for yourself. You can also approach businesses and create such products for them. The third way to monetize using AI is to build a framework or to build a template. Because one thing that I've realized among very many business people is that they don't like doing things over and over again, like repetitive things or repetitive tasks. So if you can create a framework that allows them to automate that process, that all they have to do is just come and key in a few things, then they'll be willing to pay for that. And a good example is a calendar, a content calendar. If a business, maybe let's say, wants a content calendar of how frequently they need to be posting on social media, if you can create a template for that, then they're going to be willing to pay top dollar for that. And when you look at my ebook, I've given you a couple of examples, other examples. Like here, you can create a weekly productivity planner, you can create a client workflow tracker, Instagram caption calendar, 3-step goal setting framework, meal plan plus grocery list sheet. You see, these are very good examples of templates and frameworks that you can create. So if you're good at these, then you're sleeping on the money. Go ahead and try creating one. The fourth way to monetize using AI is by creating a paid mini course. You see, we live in a beautiful time. Right now, if you're knowledgeable about something, you can use AI to help you create a very nice course outline that is likely to sell, okay? Because back in the day, you had to sit down, think about everything yourself. But today, you don't have to do that. You can just sit with ChatGPT, instruct it on the things that you want to include in your course, okay? Brainstorm with it and come up with a very tight outline and record that video. A good example is, let's say you are a Swahili tutor and you'd love to create a course for non-Swahili speaking people. You see, unless you have a very precise outline of what you need to cover, it becomes hard, like you'll be overwhelmed. Should I include this? Should I include that? But when you're using an AI tool like ChatGPT, it can help you narrow down your focus. Let me just say, these tools, they make your life so easy, okay? They make your life easy and make it more likely that you're going to hit the target. So go ahead and try using these tools when you're creating your course. If you use email marketing to convert leads into buying clients, or if you're planning to work with companies that have email lists, then you can use AI to write AI newsletters. You guys know that email is where the money lies. Like, most businesses take advantage of their email newsletters to communicate with their target audience, to build trust, to create awareness towards a certain product or a service that they're offering. So if you're really good at creating newsletters, then AI can make that process even easier. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're looking for a way to take advantage of AI to make money, then newsletters are a sure way to do that. Take advantage of tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, Jasper, Gemini to write quality emails. But make sure that you're not forgetting the human aspect. Remember, AI tools are just here to make our life easier. But at the end of the day, it's the human aspect, it's the emotions that get people to convert. So if you're going to use AI tools to write newsletters, always remember that understanding the target audience is even more critical than writing the email that you're writing. So take note of that. The last point that I'm going to discuss under ways to monetize using AI is copywriting or content writing, which is what yours truly does. I do content writing and I make money online through content writing. And of course, I use AI tools to write content. Of course, you want to take note of what I just discussed. The human aspect is very important. So if you're going to offer content writing or copywriting services using AI, you need to understand the importance of research. Yes, you can use AI tools to do your research, but it is equally important for you to take time, go on Google, go on YouTube and amass information. Like, you need to have lots of information. Remember, I also mentioned that when it comes to prompt creation, remember I also mentioned that when it comes to AI use, garbage in, garbage out. And the last thing that you want is to submit garbage to your client, because yes, they might pay you this time, but trust me, you're not going to last. So as a copywriter, I always take time to do my research. And of course, I can use AI tools for that as well. But I take time to research on Google, on YouTube, come up with the right information, then use that information to feed it to AI tools. Okay? And I also take time to instruct it with regards to the target audience that I'm writing the article for. I also instruct it the tone that I want it to use, the number of words, how the sentence structure needs to look like, the role that I want the AI tool to assume. Like, in a nutshell, I want to give it a very good prompt that is going to ensure I get a very good output. And still, after it has given me a very good output, I'll sit down, make sure that I'm editing, I'm fact-checking, revising. So there's no single day that I'll just give the AI tool a prompt, it gives me an output, and I submit that to my client. No, I take time to go through the work and make sure that at the end of the day, if I'm submitting work, I'm submitting quality work that the client is happy to pay for. Suffice to say, copywriting is one of the best ways to take advantage of AI tools and make money online. So that's why I've added it as part of the ways to monetize using AI. Now, that's what yours truly does, and I also offer training on the same. If you're interested, hit me up. The link is in the description box. That's our video for today. I hope you have learned different ways that you can monetize using AI. Like I've said, I've covered all these in my ebook. You can just go ahead and grab it. It's only $10. And also to mention, in the ebook, I have covered like 10 ways to monetize. So there are like 4 other ways that I've not mentioned in this video. You'll find it in the ebook. Now, I don't know if you have any question. If you do, be sure to leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer the questions, and also let me know what else you'd love me to cover. I guess that's all for today. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.